Hello friends and welcome to Excel beginners and advanced tips. Today we will learn three three things, that is, one is change case, and second is applying if condition and prompting message box, and third is we want to create a search box. So let's move to our previous video. That is, we have already created a entry form here. This is the entry form, and whenever I enter data through our text boxes, it will take appropriate case. There are three types of cases. One is proper, and one is upper, and the third one is lower. So whenever we enter, it will be proper case in the fields of the sheets. So look at the sheets, there is no data here. Just run the entry form first. Just before running the entry form, we have to see the codes here. U case, you can just write here U case. It was previously like this. The code was just adding data into the respective fields of sheet 1, was just like this. Now I want to enter name should be proper case and address should be proper case, and for this I need to write the code, and going here, that is text box 1 will be proper. The code is application. Just add the code before the text box 1 dot value dot application dot worksheet dot worksheet function dot proper. We just need to add before the text box dot value, that will be assigned to our second column of last row, that is under name field. Under this box it will start from B3. Okay, just I prefix the code here. Same I copy here. For address I paste it and just close it with open and close parenthesis, close bracket. Now let us run the program. Let's see what happens. If I write name, suppose Gosai, the name, every letter is in small letter, and let's see what happens. Address, suppose India, every letter is small. Contact, suppose 400 500, and salary, suppose 500. Now when you press the add button, let's see what happens. Yes, the first letter, that is G, has been in proper case. Here I has become capital. That is in proper. India is proper, starting with a proper case letter. Gosai is starting with a proper case letter G. So this is the most effective way to insert appropriate word or data within field. We can also change it like uppercase, and if we want the name should be, all the letters of the name should be upper, then we can just change its only uppercase. In this case, just go to add and delete the first one, that is name. Just type upper, U case for uppercase, and it will convert Gosai, every letter of Gosai in uppercase, in capital letter. Okay, say start, and again write as for instances. Suppose Chang, the next record, that is Chang, name will be Chang, next MP, suppose Chang, address China, contact suppose 700-800, salary 800, add. Let's see, we can see here the Chang has become in capital letter. This is the proper case and upper case, friends, and there is another case, that is lower case. Whatever we type in the text boxes, if we give the lower case option code, everything will be in lower case for the respective text boxes. Suppose we want the name should be in lower case. For that we can write the code here. Just instead of U case, just type L case, L for lower, C for case. Let's see what happens for another record. Suppose Robin, not I need to type it except lower case, that is like this, ROBI, last is small letter. Okay, Robin, address London, and contact 900, and salary 900 875, and salary 900. Let's see what happens. See, Robin, though we typed R in capital, O capital, B capital, I capital, and N small, it has converted all the letters of this word in small case, that is for lower case. So friends, this is the case option that we can apply to according to our needs. And now our second task is to apply if condition and prompt message. So let's move to here again in the form, and for our comprehension, just I want no text boxes or no fields will be blank whenever we press the add button. If any field at the time of data entry left blank, the addition will not be done, or data will not be added into the respective fields. If we want this, we have to write the appropriate code, that is we have to use if condition. Suppose we are writing for the first text box like this, just double clicking add button. So writing if text box 1 dot value, we can say is equal to null, that is open and close parenthesis, then open and close quote, okay, not parenthesis, quote, then it is blank, it denotes blank, open double quote and close double quote. Then message box, we want a message box within quote, say name blank, just exclamatory sign gives some for looking better, and then we have to go to the text box, the blank text box. The cursor will move to the blank text box. That here text box 1 dot set focus. Focus will be the blank text box. We can write like this, and then we exit sub and end if, closing the if condition with end if, just closing it, if end if. So let's try it. If I type address USA, contact 900 500, salary 500, if I mistake to enter data in our name text box, let's see what happens when we want to add the data like this condition. See, name blank, that means it prompts a message box and tell us to enter name into the appropriate text box, that is name box. Okay, as soon as we write name Tomal and then we add, let's see what happens. See, Tomal has come into the respective sheet under the respective fields under the sheet 1. So this is the condition, we can use it for every text box, that is no text boxes will be blank here, no text boxes, name, address, contact, salary, no text boxes will be blank. So for just copy the same and paste here, write text box 2. What was in the text box 2? That is address. Just simply type address, and text box 2 will set focus till some data will be there, and the cursor will not move from that respective text box until some data will be there. The cursor will not move from the blank text box. Okay, 3. Then next what was our field name, contact number, then salary. Okay, list box 3 and contact number blank, contact blank. We can give exclamatory sign, that means we need to enter data in our contact field. And again coming to the last text box, that is text box 4 is blank, then message box salary. We know the last field was salary. For text box 1, text box 4 dot set focus. Let's see what happens. Suppose just before that, friends, I want to change the case option so that it looks better. I just copy it. I want uppercase. Okay, U case, not proper U case. Name will be in U case, proper case. Just type Molai, address Male, contact number 897256 say, and salary say 900. Let's click on add button. Oh sorry, we need to give a blank row there. Yes, it is perfectly entered. Now I will blank it somewhere, and next, that is on it, address Japan, and we left the contact blank, and then giving the salary as 500. Let's see what happens. Add, just look, contact blank, it prompts contact blank. That means we need to type something here, that is contact number. If we kept this column blank, this text box blank, that is address, and we want to save it, let's see, address blank, that means we have to enter address, that is something like Japan, and if we left blank and try to add this name blank, this is the message box that we have to enter name here, that is Mulai. That is what was the anything can be there. Nipai, say Nipai, add. See, Nipai has become in capital letter, Japan, and contact number and salary also added. You can see that row border is already is coming automatically. To see how it is coming, you have to see our previous video of border, how to give border to the cells. This is the second task. This is our second task, friends, that is applying if condition and message box. And now moving to our third and final task, that is I will design a text search box. I need to search our required data. That means, just describe it. If I enter EMP2, I need to search, it will show the name of the employee, that is Chang. If I enter EMP5 in our text box, it will show Molai. So let's design the form first. Just for better look, we just placing the add button here and taking here a search box, and just we can also draw a frame and it will look more beautiful. And taking a text box, first taking a label there. Okay, say search, enter EMP code. Just drag it and we can change the font. We can say it's 14. Just drag it for this moment. Enter EMP code, and we need to type the EMP code in a text box. Just taking a text box below the caption is text box 5. The name of the text box is text box 5. We can change the name, but for this moment we will keep it as it is, that is text box 5. Okay, and we want to see the corresponding name of the EMP code we type into the text box. So just to view the name, taking another label here below the text box, we can keep it little smaller. No need of making the text box so long, so wide and so large. Just to enter the EMP code, we need the space. Okay, label, we can delete the caption. See, the label is 8 and text box is 5. Okay, just we have to remind the names also. Label, just deleting its caption and enhancing its font so that it looks bigger for better view. Okay, and then type our code. We need a search button. Okay, then just dragging the frame here, just dragging here, or you can keep it there, just designing it for better view. You can align it. We need to align it manually. I am trying to just for viewing the search the how to search. I'm just taking a search button here, like search, taking search, just see and search it, just enhancing its font, just 14. Okay, let's see. Okay, here is the search button. If we press this button after writing the EMP code, it will show corresponding name in this label here. Okay, just go double click to the search option and write our required code. That is, I have already written this. We have to find the last row. Okay, we have to find the last row first. That means how many rows? That is from here to here. This is our last record. Okay, so we typed last row dot cells dot rows dot count 1 dot end excel up dot row. That is, the last row will take the value of this record EMP6. Now I am assigning x to 3 to last row. That means 3. Why 3? Because we have the records from third row, 1 2, row number 1, row number 2, and the row number 3. This is the first record, that is EMP code, EMP1. Okay, and then if textbox 1 dot cells x comma 1 like textbox 5, then just explaining it, what we need this value. If this value, that is, if we type EMP1 in the text box 5, it will show the name. It is like the EMP code if the value of text box 1. Just moving to the text box, if I type here and whatever you type, if it matches with the value of text box 1 with the range, that is with the range a column, a range from range third row first column to the last, whatever we type, it will detect it. Then if this is matches EMP cells, EMP code, EMP, let's say 3. If this is EMP3 is found within this range, that is within column A, it will display the corresponding name of the employees below the level here. Let's see what happens. Say Robin, EMP3, it is Robin. So we can apply the search box to find our required or desired records or desired fields as and when we need it. So let's move to the code again. I just explain it. If sheet 1 dot cells x comma 1, that is if the value of first column of third row is like text box 5, that whatever we enter in our search box, that is text box 5, level 8 we have assigned. You can see the level name is level 8. Just go into the form, just click on the level, see it is level 8. If then level 8 would be level 8 dot caption will be the value of this cell, that is the matching cell, that is sheet 1 dot cells comma 2. not value of this, not if it matches the value of the corresponding name, actually second column. So what was our second column is name. The value under the column name, corresponding value under the column name will be shown in the respective level. If column 1, say column 1 matches, if the text with the text box 5, that means our search text box, then level 8 dot caption will be assigned the value of sheet 1 dot cells x comma 2, that means the row comma column. Column means here the name field. Secondly, here is written 2, that means name under the name field. It will search, it will display the data of name field. Okay, hence the column is 2 here. And next, text box 1 dot value is equal to sheet 1. We can assign the value for our text boxes. We can again display our value, say EMP, let's match it, EMP4, and search. C Tomal, and is papaya, not Tomal. EMP4, what is Tomal, and papaya, not papaya, EMP4 Tomal, and name text box 1, just we have to correct the code here. Text box 1 dot value is shoot 1 dot cells, not last row. It is not the last row, it was the same row, that means x. We need to display our result in the levels here, in the levels below the search boxes as well as on the respective text boxes. So right here EMP3 search. See Robin, here is also Robin, here is also Robin, and the text box is also Robin. So friends, thus we can find our required field or required data with the search our required field or required data with the help of this command EMP5. Let's try another. See, here is Molloy, and name box is also displaying Molloy. So friends, these codes will be needed in future for modifying the records and update the records. So this was this was our task for today, and hope this will be little beneficial for you, and if it is, then please subscribe our channel so that we can be very delighted to create more and more videos like this. Thank you friends, thank you very much.